Hello, Ivan. Good afternoon. Hello. So sorry, Ivan. I forgot. I wait me. Let's try to clarify our schedule. So we have class every Monday, Friday, and Saturday.
Yes.
Oh, I thought it's in my mind, Ivan. The class would be Monday, Wednesday, no Friday, but on Saturday. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
So wait, let's try to have this. So it's fixed now that our class will only be Monday, Friday, Saturday. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So Monday, Friday, Saturday, I will meet you at 4 p.m. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So sorry. Because I in my mind I thought it's Wednesday, no Friday.
Yeah.
So sorry, so sorry. Okay, so let's now do it. Now, Hyven, last time our class was we did reading and writing activity. No, sorry, listening activity. And when I checked it, you were able to finish all the activity in the listening. So this time, Hyven, we will be doing pet listening test 4. Okay, this is already the
Yeah.
test 4 of this reading and writing. So reading and writing will be our activity for this afternoon. Okay, so let me wait. Let me share to you. No sound. Oh, no, no, no. Wait me. This is not here. This one. So sorry again for keeping you wait. I didn't notice. I was really thinking
Yeah.
it's, oh my God. Oh no. All right. So here we go, Ivan. Sorry for that. All right. So let's do this one. So let's do reading and writing test 4 in here. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So we have here vocabulary words. So Ivan, could you please, oh, sorry. Could you please read what are the given words we have?
From now on, borrow and
And
return.
return. Okay, so we have here vocabulary word from now on, borrow, and return. Do you understand these three words?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, let's do part 1, questions 1 to 5. Look at the text in each question. What does it say? Okay, mark the correct letter A or B on your answer sheet. Right? Okay, for example, we have here, nothing of value is left in this van at night. The correct answer here, or the letter which has the same meaning with the given here is letter A. Valuable objects are removed at night. Okay? So, Hyvan, please think properly and read and understand properly numbers 1 and 2. Good luck.
I'm done.
All right, Ivan, could you please read numbers 1 and 2 together with your answer?
1. From Miss Phillips to class 9. Sorry, there are no theater tickets left. Anyone who's ordered a ticket but not given me the money yet has until tomorrow to do so. B. Reserved tickets must be paid for by tomorrow. 2. Nick, your swimming teacher called about this week's lesson. It will be on Tuesday, not Thursday, as it usually is. It is still at 6 o'clock, but we'll have to leave earlier by 5:30. B. The time of Nick's lesson has changed.
Okay, so Ivan, let's check now your answer. Number 1, you answered reserved tickets must be paid for by tomorrow. The answer is correct. Very good, Ivan. Letter B. Number 2, the correct answer to is, oh, look at here, Ivan. From the given letter, Nick, your swimming teacher called about this week's lesson. It will be on Tuesday, not Thursday, as it usually is. Okay? It's still at 6 o'clock, but we'll have to leave early by 5:30. Look at letter C. Nick's lesson this week is the same time on a different day. Now look at here. As you can see, Ivan, yes, you are correct. Letter B, because the Nick's lesson has changed. But then, not all of it has changed. Only the day. With me, Ivan. About this one, it will be Tuesday, not Thursday, as it usually, and it's still 6 o'clock, but we'll have to leave. Oh, look at here, Ivan. As you can see, this one, the lesson this week is the same time, but in different day. B could also be a correct answer, Ivan, but letter C is the best answer. Why? Because it explains the changes that happen to the given letter. Okay? Again, B is still correct, but here there is still letter C, which is the best answer, which also has the same meaning with letter B. Okay? You found
Yeah.
the answer B correctly, but there's best letter C. Okay? So here, let's do number 3. And 4. Go.
I'm done.
Okay, please read, Ivan, 3 and 4.
3. High Clive School Gallery. Taking photos of the art displayed here is not permitted. C. You are not allowed to use your camera here. 4. After inserting CD, wait for computer to let it before clicking on start. C. Insert CD, wait, and then click on start.
Okay, let's check now your answer. Number 3, Highcliffe School Gallery. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Highcliffe or Highcliffe? Okay, it depends because it's a name. All right, so
Yeah.
here, number 3, the correct answer, number 3 is very good because here, taking photos here is not permitted, meaning not allowed. Correct. Number 4, after inserting CD, wait for computer to load it before clicking on start. The correct answer is very good. Start will be at the last, while in others, in A and B, the start is at the middle. And here in the letter B, the start is at the first thing to do. But here in letter C, it's correct. You insert the CD, wait until it loads, and then you click start. Correct. Mistakes yet? No, Ivan? Number
Sir, can I
5.
ask?
Yes, Ivan. What is it?
In number three,
Okay.
the given only say that taking photo of the art displayed. If you use the camera to taking the floor, it's okay. Why it is not allowed to use your camera here?
It's because, Ivan, there are some people who really, if they say that it's not allowed to take photos, there are even some people who don't listen or who don't follow that one. So
Yeah.
even if you are bringing camera, yeah, there are people who follow the rules of the exhibit or of the place, but others are hard-headed. And here in the art displayed, you are not allowed to take photos because most of these are sold or they're selling. Okay? They're not allowed to take pictures, so no one will copy the exhibit. That's the purpose of it. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, go. Number 5.
I'm done.
Okay, please read.
Hi. 5. Hi, Laura. That video game I borrowed from you was great. I've lent it to Mike. He'll give it back to you on Monday. Hope that's okay. If I choose A, Mike will return Laura's computer game to her on Monday.
Okay, let's check. So, hi, Lara. That video game I borrowed from you was great. I've lent it to Mick. Is it Mick? Yeah. He'll give it back to you on Monday. Hope it's okay. If exo. The answer is very good. Mick will return Lyra's computer game to her on Monday. Very good. Great work. Great work. Very good, Ivan. Congratulations. Part 1 is perfect. Next, let's do part 2, question 6 to 10. The young people below all want to do something special this Saturday. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of 8 events. Decide which event would be the most suitable for the following people. Oh, Ivan, this one needs a bit of readings. I know. The one which
I hate
is
this.
find difficulty in here. Yeah, always part 2, right? Have you observed that?
Yeah.
Always part 2. Okay. So I have here vocabulary words. What are the given words?
Or expert.
Expert.
A
Correct.
person with special knowledge, skill, or
skill.
training in something.
Next.
Efficiency.
Again, efficiency.
Efficiency. The quality of doing something well with no waste of time or money.
Correct.
Environment friendly. Not harming the environment.
And
Spacious. of a room or building, large and with
With
plenty of space for people to move around it.
okay. You have questions from the vocabulary words?
No.
No, very good. Okay. Oh. You're Haiba.
Oh no.
So many things to read. Okay, you take your time. It's okay. Go.
I'm done.
Okay, please read.
6. Angela wants to go out with her younger sister in the evening. They both love learning about wildlife and would like to take part in an organized activity. I choose E. Download Park. Discover the different types of birds and animals that come out in the evening in the park. Staff have arranged special games to help you to find out about these creatures. Hot drinks and tasty snacks will be provided. Don't forget to wear comfortable boots. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. 7. Vic would like to go with his friend to listen to several different kinds of music. They also want to be able to buy something to eat. I choose B. Travel by boat to an open air concert in the beautiful surrounding of this unspoiled island. Here's some of the biggest artists from the rock, pop, and jazz world. There will be stalls offering a range of international foods. It will be a truly amazing evening. 9. Beth and her twin sister are interested in art and would like to make something which they can take home as a souvenir of their day. They also want a nice place to eat their pocket lunch. F. In the morning, you can visit the Central's large collection of 20th century advertising poster, then spend the afternoon working on your own poster design to print and keep. You can picnic in the center's spacious garden while listening to rap songs from the local music scenes. 9. Mike wants to spend the day with a couple of friends. They all enjoy water sport in the open air and are also keen on history. H. There are lots of things to do the in and around the castle during special activities day. Spend half the day sailing and then after a picnic go mountain biking. In the evening you can watch a battle for the castle and discover what life was like for a soldier here 1,000 years ago. 10. Molly and her friends are enjoying a school project on the environment and are keen to discover more about this topic. They want to go somewhere where they can spend the day and also get some lunch. 8. Have fun finding out how you can help save the planet. Learn from the experts who will give entertaining hands-on demonstrations about everything from water saving to energy efficiency. Everything sold in the park's restaurant is made from ingredients from the local area, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m.
All right, Ivan, let's check now. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we have here Angela wants to go out with their younger sister in the evening. They both love learning about wildlife and would like to take part in the organized activity. The correct answer here is letter E, correct. She needs to go to Downland Park. Next, number 7. Vic would like to go with his friends to listen several different kinds of music. Where do you think she needs to go there? She needs to go to Silverbank area because they can travel by boat to an open air concert. Meaning there are still people singing in that kind of boat. Next, number 8. Beth and her twin sister are interested in art and would like to make, this one. So the correct answer, Haiva, number 8 is letter F, the Collins Center, correct? Next, number 9, Mike wants to spend a day with a couple of friends. The answer is correct. Letter H, the West Sea Castle. Lot of things to do around the castle. Number 10, Molly and her friend are enjoying the school project on the environment. Then the answer should be letter A. Perfectly answered, Haivan. Very good. Very good. Now, Haivan, please enter again to the Zoom class because the Zoom is about to
Yeah.
close.